Hello guys, so how to work with AEZAKMI on Windows. Here we go. Open the AEZAKMI browser to get started. In previous lessons I've already created a profile with a proxy and logged into the extension. If you use a proxy with a password, enter the username and password in the form of the browser. By default, the Who Checker page is opened. In order to protect the user from accidental de-anonymization, making sure your profile is applied. AEZAKMI extension has a very understandable interface. Here you will find the login and logout button, drop-down list with created fingerprints, status, stop button to start the fingerprint profile. And now I will talk about a very important features if you work in a team. These are two buttons, Save Profile and Upload Profile. Okay, you work in AEZAKMI, you have opened tabs and logged in websites. For example, I opened an email account, but it can be a Facebook account too, or an account of any other site. Let's say you need to transfer a profile with a working account to a team member, or transfer to the profile to another PC or to another AEZAKMI account. Use the button Save Profile File for this. Wait until the downloader button becomes active. After it, wait 5 or 10 seconds more and click on it. By default, the file is saved in the download folder. In order to load a saved profile, click Upload Profile and select the saved file. Enter the proxy server login and password, and all of your tabs and saved forms are loaded in another browser profile. Using the Import Cookies button, you can download cookies in JSON format. The Get Facebook Ads Token button is used to set up an advertising campaign on Facebook. I talk in detail about working with these tools in a video tutorial on working with Facebook.